Marhaban everyone, welcome back to yet another interesting episode. Today we are going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions are like in, at, where, about, among, without, So in today's video, I've chosen at least 10 commonly used prepositions in Arabic or in Emirati Arabic. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am trying to learn Emirati Arabic and document here on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested, join me and let's learn this language together. I am not a teacher, I am learning as well. Alright, so you might hear my pronunciations are really bad. It's just because I am on the learning process. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I love your comments, likes. Continue sharing, guys. Continue commenting. And I hope you're learning something as well. Alright. So without further ado, let's get started into today's video. The first preposition of today is in or at. In Arabic, we say fi. Of course, I made a few examples as well in each of the 10 prepositions that we are going to talk about today for us to be able to understand, of course, as always. So I have my laptop with me. I might be needing it, to refer some few things here and there. So the first sentence I made is, I am in the house. If you translate that one directly, it means, Ana fi el bait. Ana fi el bait. But because you are talking and you want to sound more like Arabic, you can say Ana fil bait. Ana fil bait. So the other L is kind of like, sound, silent sound. So Ana fil bait. I am in the house now. Ana fil bait alhin. Like for example, right now I am in the room or I'm in my room. I'll say Ana fil gorfi. Ana fil gorfi. Gorfa is the room. So my room is gorfi. Okay. So I would say Ana fil gorfi alhin. I am in my house alhin. Okay. I'm in my house now. Another sentence I made out of that is, I am in the kitchen. Kitchen in Arabic is matbakh. Habibi, from here, matbakh. Okay, so ana fil matbakh. Ana fil matbakh. I hope I'm pronouncing that one very well. So another one, I tried to make a sentence using at, which is the same as fi. For example, she is at the hospital. Here fil mustashfa. Here في المستشفى, but because we want to sound more Arabic, more like an Arabic, say here في المستشفى. Here في المستشفى. She's at the hospital. So there is something I've learned this past week. If you're talking about she in Arabic, it's he. If you're talking about him or he in Arabic is who. So note that down. She, he, who. That's what I learned in Arabic this past week. So here fil mustashfa. He is at the university. Now this is we are using he. The other one we used she. He is at the university. Huwa fil el jamia. Jamia is university or college. Here, oh no, huwa fil el jamia. Huwa fil jamia. If you want to sound quickly. Huwa fil jamia. Last sentence I made out of that using fi is, I am at the restaurant. Ana fi el matam. Ana fi el matam. Al matam is restaurant. We learned in my previous videos. So if you want to sound more like Arabic, ana fil matam. So the second preposition is on, which is ala. Ala. Let's see the examples that I made out of that. So the first example is, the book is on the desk. Al-kitab al-maktab. Al-kitab al-maktab. So you sound Arabic more if you say it quickly. Al-kitab al-maktab. Maktab also is office, so it has a lot of meaning. Al-kitab al-maktab. Another sentence I made out of on or ala is, the phone is on the bed. التلفون على سرير. على السرير. Sarir is bed. So al-telephone al-sarir, al-telephone al-sarir, al-telephone al-sarir, if you want to sound more like Arabic. So telephone also they can call it hatif. So it depends, but for me, I'm learning just normal spoken Arabic. So I think telephone is just telephone in this case. So al-telephone al-sarir. The third preposition, this is my favorite one, from or of. For example, I'm from Kenya and I'm in Kenya. Just like that, and I'm in Kenya. Okay. The second example using this, I'm from the house. Ana min el bait. Ana min el bait. Let's sound more like Arabic. Ana min el bait. Ana min el bait. Another example is the food is from the restaurant. Okay. So al-ta'am min al-matam. Al-ta'am min al-matam. So ta'am is food in Arabic, and then matam is restaurant. So once you master that, it will be easier. So now let's sound more like Arabic. Ata min el matam. Ata min el matam. How about that? Another last example using from or min. Where are you from? Min Wayne. Min Wayne. That is a normal question that people ask here, especially in Arabic countries. Min Wayne enter. From where? Where are you from? So that is something that you can easily learn. You can ask someone in Arabic, Min Wayne enter. Where do you come from? So let me know in the comment section if you are able to ask someone in Arabic, Min Wayne enter, Min Wayne enti. Enti is a female, and enter is a male. But don't worry about that. Just learn just one, and that is it. Min Wayne enter. The fourth preposition is to. This is very commonly used. Is ila. Ila. For example, in a sentence, I have to go to the doctor. So we learned in my previous videos how the doctor is called in Arabic. So once you master that, it will be easier for you to translate this in Arabic. I have to go to the doctor. Lazim arui ilal tabib. Lazim arui ilal tabib. Let's sound more like Arabic. Lazim arui ilal tabib. Lazim arui ilal tabib. Another example using a to or ila is I'm going to school. Ana aroi ilal madrasa. Ana aroi ilal madrasa. Let's sound more like Arabic. Ana aroi ilal madrasa or aroi ilal madrasa. Because if you're using aroi, you don't need to say ana. But in this case, let's just use ana, which is I am. Ana aroi ilal madrasa. Another one I made using the word ila is I walk to my house. Amshi ilal beiti. Amshi ilal beiti. If you can remember, in my previous video, I said when it is double E at the end of a word, that means you're referring to yourself. Like for example, Amshi ilal beiti. Beiti. Beit is home. Okay, or house, let's call it that way. But because I'm saying Beiti is my home, so I walk to my home or my house. Amshi ilal Beiti. The last word I made using ila or to is I want to go to the pharmacy. So if you've not watched my previous videos, there is words that are related to the hospital. So once you master that, what is a pharmacy called in Arabic, it will be easier to translate this sentence directly to Arabic. So Aba Asir ila Sadiliya. Aba Asir ila Sadiliya. Let's sound more like Arabic. Aba asir ila Sadiliya. Aba asir ila Sadiliya. You can just say also Aba aru ila Sadiliya. Arui and asir, for me, I found out like it means the same thing. If you are Arabic and you're listening to this video, let me know in the comment section below what is the difference between these two words, because I found out they are commonly used when you are referring like you want to go these two words they are commonly used. So that's what I'm learning as well. So we are here to learn and we are here to correct the mistakes. So for now, let's learn both. You can use both in a sentence. Aba arul ila saadilia or aba asir ila saadilia.